Spirituality by the Digha Sea, inside Lord Jagannath's new abode. The Jagannath Dham complex, a striking example of Kalinga architecture, is a major addition to Bengal's pilgrimage circuit and poised for big footfalls. A sprawling and intricately designed Jagannath temple in Digha was formally opened to the public on the auspicious Akshaya Tritiya, April 30th, by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who described the project as a gift to the people of West Bengal and an initiative meant to foster unity, culture and spiritual harmony. The temple, Mamata said, would be a major addition to the state's religious tourism circuit. Located in New Digha, a prime coastal destination in the state, the Jagannath Dham complex is expected to draw hundreds of thousands of pilgrims and tourists annually. Rising over 210 feet from the road level, the Mare Temple is a striking example of Kalinga architecture merged with the Nagara Sthapati tradition. Built on 24 acres of land within the New Digha coastal development zone, the temple's towering form is crowned with a Neela Chakra, the eight-spoke wheel associated with Lord Vishnu, anchoring it symbolically and structurally within the Jagannath worship tradition. 250 crore rupees was spent by the state government to build the complex. Crafted with pink sandstone sourced from Banshipaharpur in Rajasthan, the temple's exterior incorporates a special coastal-resistant finish to withstand the saline climate of the Bay of Bengal. More than 3,000 workers contributed to its construction over 3 years. The Mare Shrine follows the classical four-part layout found in major Eastern Indian temples: the Vamana Sanctum Sanctorum, Jagamohan Assembly Hall, Nat Mandir Dancing Hall, and Bhog Mandap Offering Hall. These core elements are aligned along a central axis, with architectural symmetry and precision forming the backbone of the temple's layout. A significant design feature is the temple's 45-foot-high primary gateway, flanked by 2 secondary entrances. From this point, visitors progress along an 840-foot-long marble-paved pathway, known as the Central Spine, which is bordered by 12 elaborately carved Diya Stambhas, lamp-bearing pillars each holding 52 bracketed diyas. This ceremonial approach leads to a broad flight of 108 steps, symbolic in Vaishnavite tradition, ascending to the sanctum where the triad deities Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra and Goddess Subhadra are housed. Apart from its religious and architectural features, the complex includes a variety of supporting infrastructure. These consist of a deity kitchen, storage facilities, dedicated wings for temple priests and administrative staff, as well as spaces for engineering and logistical operations. A designated prasad distribution zone